KXAN's Caitlin Carmoot reports on a family recovering from what their doctor believes was the COVID-19 Delta variant.
Everyone's kind of going out and doing things again, and I think we let our guard down.
2 weeks ago, Heather McLean's 66-year-old father came down with a positive COVID-19 case that his doctor thinks was the Delta variant.
They were shocked. They told my dad that he was the first patient in their practice that had been fully vaccinated that tested positive.
Then the virus got to her 9 and 3-year-old daughters.
At one point, she was laying on the bathroom floor because she was also nauseous.
And with 4 known Delta variant cases in Travis County and an increase in new COVID-19 hospitalizations, city leaders worry about staffing.
Yes, it is harder to get qualified nurses and qualified healthcare folks now than a year ago.
So Austin's top doctor has asked the state for hospital staffing help and to reopen antibody therapy centers. But her biggest ask for the citizens of Austin: getting vaccinated.
Vaccines are effective at protecting us from becoming ill, severely ill, and needing hospitalization.
A statement the McLean family can back up.
Just because we're fully vaccinated doesn't mean that we can't get it. It just means that if we do, the symptoms may not be as bad, but we may experience milder symptoms. And if that's the case, I'm so glad that my dad was vaccinated, because I don't even want to think of the situation our family could have been and if he wasn't.
Caitlin Carmoot, KXAN News.
And something else to report: the number of vaccine breakthrough cases in Central Texas is on the rise. And those are the people like Heather McLean's father who are vaccinated yet are still contracting COVID-19. Here's the very latest snapshot from Austin Public Health. You can see a steady rise over time. Of the 333 breakthrough cases, 179 were reported last month. And what makes this infographic even more interesting is it's actually broken down by the vaccine that the infected person received. Just in June, there were 29 breakthrough cases involving the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, 63 Moderna, and 87 Pfizer. It is important to remember here, that does not indicate that one vaccine is more effective than another, because we don't know how many people in our area received which kind of vaccine. Also, one thing to note, Pfizer is available to a wider age range of people, ages 12 and older.